Now that we had a brief React refresher and we're all on the same page, at least regarding the React basics, let's apply that knowledge and also dig a bit deeper in our main course project and there in the React frontend we're building. So in this module, we'll start building our frontend with React as a single page application, which means everything the user sees, everything in the browser is managed by React. Every change there is applied and rendered by React. And then later in the course, we'll build our Node backend and we'll connect React to that backend. But here we'll just focus on the standalone frontend, which therefore, of course, right now won't be fully functional. We won't be storing any data on a server yet, but that will come later. In this module, we will instead build that single page application and dig deeper into React, and you'll have a really nice example of a more realistic React app. We'll add routing and the core pages, which you could also put into quotes because we'll still only have one single page, but we'll add different components and tell React when to load which component based on the URL the user entered, which is really nice. And we'll also split our app into multiple core components, of course, because you learned that React is all about components. We want to keep our components small and manageable, and therefore we'll split them. We'll also add some pure user interface components, which technically still are regular React components, but you'll see that some components are mostly focused on just providing some styling, be reusable, whilst other components will have a lot of logic and state management attached to them, and you will see how that naturally grows as you're working on a realistic React project. We'll also handle user input later. We'll also even write our own React hooks. We only saw the use state hook thus far, which was built in. In this module, we'll also see some other hooks and create custom ones. Yes, this is possible. And therefore, this is a module packed with content, not a short module for sure, but a great practice on React, on building a realistic app with React, and an important preparation for this course where we later will connect it to our Node Express MongoDB backend.